Can you guess all 25 animals? Fijian iguana. Fiji banded iguanas are considered one of the most intelligent reptiles and can recognize and remember items. They can respond to their owners through sight and sound. Fijian iguanas are primarily herbivores that eat leaves, flowers and fruit, shoots and shrubs, but may also eat insects on occasion. Superb lyrebird. Superb lyrebirds are known for their ability to mimic sounds, including chainsaws, car engines, dog barks, and other birds. About 80% of their song is mimicry. They are ground-dwelling birds found in the forests of southeastern Australia, southern Tasmania, and New South Wales. Golden snub-nosed monkey. Sichuan golden snub-nosed monkeys inhabit mountainous forests of southwestern China. They spend more than 90% of their time in trees. These unique monkeys utilize group effort when it comes to protecting their young. When faced with danger from a predator, the young are placed at the center of the group while the stronger adult males go to the scene of the alarm. Elephant shrew. Elephant shrews are small mouse-like mammals with long, flexible snouts resembling an elephant's trunk. Elephant shrews are not very social, but they live in monogamous pairs and defend their territories. They use scent glands to mark their territory and keep track of each other's location. If another animal trespasses, they will violently evict it, which can include screaming, snapping, kicking, and sparring. Barracuda. Barracuda have sharp teeth in both an inner and outer row. The inner teeth are larger for piercing, while the outer teeth are smaller and sharper for tearing. Some of their teeth also point backwards to help them grip slippery prey. Barracuda are attracted to shiny objects like the silvery fish they hunt. This can sometimes lead to unfortunate encounters with human divers, so it's recommended to wear non-reflective clothing when scuba diving near barracuda. Fire salamander. Fire salamanders are native to Central European forests. They prefer to hide in fallen leaves and around mossy tree trunks. Fire salamanders breathe through their moist, permeable skin. They also produce a toxin that can cause discomfort to humans if they handle the salamander and rub their eyes or nose. Mandarin duck. The mandarin duck is used as a symbol for Chinese weddings because they are monogamous and stand for wedded happiness and fidelity. They are also considered symbols of love in China, Japan, and Korea. Mandarin ducks can fly up to 500 miles in a single day while migrating. They are very good pets for beginners due to their hardiness, beauty, and mild temperament. Tree kangaroo. Tree kangaroos are marsupials and can be thought of as kangaroos adapted to life in trees. Tree kangaroos look like a cross between an actual kangaroo and a lemur, with shorter legs and strong forelimbs for climbing. Tree kangaroos live in mountainous cloud forests at elevations of up to 11,000 feet and spend most of their time in trees. They are found in Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and Australia. Indian gaur. Also known as Indian bison, the Indian gaur is the largest bovine and the tallest wild cattle species in India. It is more massive than the African water buffalo and the American bison. In India, the gaur symbolizes strength, power, and fertility, and is even the mascot for the 54th Infantry Division of the Indian Army. Gaurs are social animals that live in groups of 30 to 40. They are typically shy and do not fight unless provoked. Sturgeon. Sturgeon are bony fish that can dwell in salt and fresh water. Sturgeon are found in North America, Russia, and Ukraine. Today, the short-nosed sturgeon is in danger of extinction primarily due to habitat degradation, water pollution, dredging, water withdrawals, fisheries, and habitat impediments such as dams. Sturgeon are edible from head to tail and are often served up as sushi and sashimi, and the caviar of sturgeon is considered a delicacy. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are the largest lizards in the world, with some adults measuring over 10 feet long and weighing more than 350 pounds. Komodo dragons have a venom gland in their lower jaw that contains harmful bacteria and prevents blood from clotting. Their bites can be deadly, but not to other Komodo dragons. Golden pheasant. Golden pheasants, also known as Chinese pheasants or rainbow pheasants, are found in Western China and are a symbol of good luck. In China, the golden pheasant has been kept for over 300 years. Today, they are rare and hard to find, with only about 1,000 to 2,000 left in the world. The population is declining due to timber extraction, capture for the pet bird trade, and overhunting for food. Marten. Martens are members of the mustelid family, which includes badgers, otters, weasels, and stoats. These weasel-like carnivores are excellent climbers with retractable claws. Martens are known also as fishers and polecats. Martens can be found in various regions across the globe, including Europe, Asia, and North America. They inhabit a wide range of habitats, from forests to mountainous areas. Civet. The African civet is famous for the secretions from its perianal gland, known as civetone, which is used as an ingredient in perfume production. For centuries, people have collected musk from these animals and diluted it to make a pleasant fragrance. The civet cat is listed as endangered due to inhumane, abusive farming practices of these animals for harvesting their scent glands to use in musk perfumes, and for their fur, and for their partially digested dung, an ingredient used to make the controversial and highly priced coffee called Kopi Luwak. Feather star. The feather star, known as a sea lily in its adolescent stage, belongs to crinoid species of the echinoderm family, which comprise of starfish, sea urchins, brittle stars, and sea cucumbers. Feather stars are slow movers and are often spotted clinging to sponges or corals. But these creatures can swim, float, roll, or crawl away at speeds of up to 5 centimeters per second. They use their arms to swim and their sticky appendages to move along the substrate and perch onto fixed surfaces. Basilisk. Basilisks are lizards part of the iguana family native to Mexico, Central and South America, and Costa Rica. Male green basilisks have distinctive leaf-like crests on their heads and backs. Basilisks can run on the surface of water to escape predators or to find food. They can run up to 50 feet across still water. Magnificent frigate bird. The magnificent frigate bird is the largest species of frigate bird. Male magnificent frigate birds have a bright red throat pouch that they puff out to attract a mate, while females have white throats and bellies. These birds can be found in tropical and subtropical waters along the coasts of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, as well as the southern United States, Mexico, and the Caribbean. Coatimundi. Coatimundi, also called coati, are furry creatures part of the raccoon family, along with kinkajous, ringtails, and olingos. They inhabit parts of Arizona, New Mexico, and South and Central America. Coatis dwell in trees and use their muscular tails to help maintain their balance. And as coatis forage on the ground, they also use their tails as markers to flag their location to others within their group. Walrus. Both male and female walruses have large canine teeth that are constantly growing. They use their tusks to keep breathing holes open in the ice, fight other walruses, and pull themselves out of the water onto sea ice. Walruses can live up to 40 years in the wild and have thick skin with a layer of blubber to protect them from the Arctic's sub-zero temperatures. Seahorse. Seahorses are small bony fish closely related to pipefish and sea dragons. They lack scales, breathe through a set of gills, and are covered in small patches of armor. Seahorses possess swim bladders to keep them buoyant underwater. The appetite of a seahorse is ravenous as food passes quickly through their small bodies, so they need to eat at least 30 meals a day. King cobra. King cobras are the world's largest venomous snakes, growing up to 18.5 feet long. They never actually stop growing. King cobras live in tropical and mountainous forests ranging from India to the Philippines. They eat other snakes, including venomous ones. Male king cobras eat rivals as a way to eliminate competition. Their venom is not the most potent, but a single bite's worth is enough to kill 20 people. Cassowary. Cassowaries are native to Australian rainforests. They are second heaviest bird in the world and the third tallest bird in the world, standing up to 6 feet tall. Male cassowaries are responsible for raising the chicks, which is unusual for birds. Cassowaries maintain rainforest biodiversity by eating the fruit of poisonous or large-seeded plants. When they defecate, they disperse the seeds over a wide area, which helps the rainforest regenerate. Raccoon. Raccoons are small mammals related to cats, dogs, and bears. In the wild, raccoons live in a wide variety of forest and grassland habitats, most often found in proximity to water, as raccoons are proficient swimmers. While some say that domesticated or rehabilitated raccoons can be loving and playful companions, most animal experts advise against keeping them as pets due to their unpredictable nature. Raccoon droppings are dangerous to humans because it may contain raccoon roundworm, which can be fatal to children. Mandrills are the largest monkeys in the world and are native to West Central Africa. Mandrills are extremely colorful, with bright blue and red faces and brightly colored rumps. Their colors become brighter when they are excited. Mandrills live in family groups ranging from 600 to 800 members. Zebra shark. If you live in the US, this is called a zebra shark, but if you live in Australia, this is called a leopard shark. Oftentimes, these sharks are referred to as zebra leopard sharks because the same common names are used for both species. The shark in this footage is a species of carpet shark found throughout tropical waters all over the world, including but not limited to the Indo-Pacific, from South Africa to the Red Sea, New Caledonia, Tonga, and Australia. They are covered in small dark spots, have distinctive ridges running down their bodies, and a tail fin nearly half their total length. Zebra sharks are born with dark brown and white stripes that resemble a zebra's pattern, but these fade over time and turn into leopard-like spots as they mature. The leopard shark is a species of hound shark found along the Pacific coast of North America, from Oregon to the Gulf of California in Mexico. Their slender bodies are marked by a unique pattern of black saddle-like markings and large spots. Did you guess them all? If you liked this video, please share and subscribe.